ಬಂತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು all the Muslims in Karnataka. So basically, we are celebrating this Women's Day only for Bangalore country. That is, all sectors of Bangalore Bangalore presidents and secretaries are included in this event. So we are almost around 300 women now celebrating this function, and we want to make this our brand, and even we want to show that women are celebrating even Women's Day. Contain a series of events which consisted of fun events like take a seat, quiz, discussion, songs, and dance. Based on the campaign to like this series for women. Each woman brought up the best efforts and participated in all the events. The ladies were encouraged with colorful gifts and prizes. The event also brought to the podium support for women. There were motivational speeches and encouraging talks by the speakers. The group made sure that each woman had a good time and carried back memories of the hundreds international events. Celebrations ended on a good note and everybody returned home with a smile on their faces. Done for news. Atrocities that are being meted out on women, father-in-law,